Tuisongana mbe Muthenya umwe na munene wa maminista Musalia Mudavadi kukulya ayumbe mevathulane na mitalatala ya kutunga itina kauwa kuukitana na Ulusani amwe ayumbe ala mena mitalatala ikonetw'e uneenan'yani nimeeyumilya kwitetea Muyumbe wa Mbeere ya yiulu Geoffrey Ruku niwatetea mutalatala wake aiweta kana uyina kieleelo cha kuanzia moloto wa serikali kuukitana na mwenyu wa Ulusani va Kenya Benjamin mwaka nukutwalesi.
Zama ya maminista na mbunge yusi ya matani sione kukonya mitalatala imwe ila ayumbe maende kusukumizia vitu kithuwe mbungeni na Muthenya umwe na munene wa maminista Musalia Mudavadi kukulya ayumbe Peter Kaluma na Geoffrey Ruku kuwetanga mbungeni mitalatala yo kukonya uthukumi sekta ya kuukitana na Ulusani.
I kindly request the two members of parliament to consider withdrawing their bills. We must remember that we can only defeat corruption if we stand together in unity of purpose and effort.
Muyumbe wa Mbeere ya yiulu Geoffrey Ruku yuno wambe kuliana na ukulyo
No, I will not withdraw.
Kuyanana na munene wa maminista ni kana mutalatala wa Muyumbe uvanie kutetheesya atongoi alani athukumi ma serikali kwikonya viasalani na serikali zemwe ya kuingi viwanganganya viasalani undumwe na uthukumi wa maofisa ma serikali ateo Ruku na woni kwa thukanyo.
The Anti-Corruption Authority today has been taken to court by many people claiming damages because they were not their cases were acquitted, their cases were withdrawn. So this is something which we have to change. This is something which we have to ensure we stimulate, we make corruption fight efficient and effective.
Muyumbe wa Mbeere ya yiulu nwaweta kuangaliko ake mutalatala wake ula wimbe wa mbunge withwa uthikithya vena haki kwa mundu wonthe akwatikana makwani ni makutwa izi viasala na serikali miao kusembanasya na mbililya na atwaisya ma Ulusani mivyani ya serikali vandu vanene ngavani ikuosya wa matambya maki miao nomo.
To ensure justice of the taxpayers' money, you know, the taxpayers or those who lose public money is achieved, as well as the people who are prosecuted because of corruption cases or incidences. Justice is done in both ways.
Nuwathana kukwatiania na Mudavadi nthini wa kikalo cha nthi imwe kwa imwe kueleanwa yiulu unu wa mutalatala Muthenya.
Probably I look for the cabinet prime secretary to explain to him and to take him through the amendment, why the amendment is important, clearly what is the object and the reason behind this amendment.
Vilingi wa mauvoku mamusini wa ilovi nye nito Benjamin na mwaka.